Creating a custom email signature is a great way to make your emails stand out and leave a lasting impression. Today, I'll show you how to create one step by step. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com, log into your Canva account, or create a new one if you don't have one. Click on the Create a Design button. Select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 90 by 90 pixels. Click Create New Design. Navigate to the Upload tab. Click Upload Files. Select your image and click Open. Wait for the image to upload. Go to the Elements tab. Search for Frame in the search bar. Select Circle Frame. Move and resize the frame as needed to fit your design. Now drag and drop your image inside the circle. Double-click on your image and drag the image up or down to position it correctly within the circle. Click Done. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the Canva editor. Click on the Download button. Check the transparent background option. Click Download to save your image. Select a location and rename your image. Click Save. Go to Google and search for Mail Signature. Click on the first result. Select Outlook. Click the arrow button to view more email signature templates. Choose a template and click on it. Type your first name and last name. Type your title. Enter your email address. Enter your phone number. Click on Company Data. Enter your website. Remove all unnecessary information. Click on Graphics. Remove any unnecessary fields. Go back to Google and search for Post Image. Click on the first result. Click Choose Images. Select the image you downloaded from Canva. Click Open. Wait for the image to upload. Copy the direct link. Paste it into your photo field. Click on Disclaimer text. Select and remove it. Click on Style. If you want to use your favorite color, select it here. If you want to use your favorite font, select it here. Click on Social Media links. Enter your social media handle or username. If you don't want to include a specific social media, select the link and press backspace to remove it. Click Apply your signature. Click Copy. Now open your Outlook. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Go to the Compose and Reply tab. Enter a name for your signature. In the signature box, press Ctrl+V to paste, or right-click your mouse and select Paste. Scroll down and set your created signature as the default. Click Save. Close this window. Click New Mail to start a new email. As you can see, your created signature appears correctly. And this is how it looks in Gmail. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.